Today I'm going to show you how to cook bacon in your air fryer. It is so easy, you're just going to love it and it tastes wonderful. So let's get cooking. We're going to start today with 8 slices of bacon. And then I went ahead and put some foil on the tray that goes in the bottom of my air fryer just to catch any extra drippings. And then I'm going to be using 2 of the racks for the bacon today. So now I have our bacon on our racks. I have 4 slices on each rack. And now we're ready to go put these in the air fryer. Our bacon's in the air fryer, we're all ready to go. I'm going to set the temperature on 370, and then for your timer, anywhere from 7 to 9 minutes, just depending on your air fryer. I'm going to go ahead and put mine at 8 today. We've gone for 8 minutes, and now I'm going to take out the trays and I'm going to rotate them so everything cooks evenly, and then we're going to put this back in for about 5 minutes and then check them. So I've checked the bacon, it looks really good, it smells fantastic, but I want mine just a little bit crispier, so we're going to go for about another 4 minutes. So now we're all done and our bacon just looks perfect, so let's take it out of the air fryer. I like to go ahead, when I take the bacon out of the air fryer, go ahead and put it on some paper towels to go ahead and drain any extra grease that might be there. There we go, bacon's all done. It looks fantastic, it tastes wonderful. Be sure and check out one of the next videos that pops up, and have a great day. Bye-bye.